Ayan guys, tignan nyo yung mga banana dito. Ang liliit lang pero may mga bunga na. Ayan o, dwarf banana tree. So small! See this one o. Dwarf banana. If small like that only, you just can get the banana. This ripe already. Tingnan nyo guys, may bunga o. Pero hindi pa nila kinukuha. Hindi pa ata ano. Hindi pa siya matanda kaya siguro hindi pa nila kinukuha.
Sama mo already.
Yeah. Tingnan niyo yung malunggay. This one, oh, this one is so... I like to plant this one. This one is easy to plant.
You can put the thing drop like.
Yeah,
You
then
don't like the seed,
can also the seed, but I think
But never